Insert the equipped memory card before switching on the recorder. Long press 3F to turn on recorder blue light on. And then short press to turn on video recording function blue light blink. Short press again, turn off video recording function. Double-click turn on Wi-Fi, blue and green light on. Open the app to view the live video. Switch off your mobile Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi by accessing it from the app interface. Wi-Fi name, Q28 Wi-Fi ... closing parenthesis, find the Wi-Fi and click to connect Wi-Fi. And then turn back to app. View the real-time video screen. Click the button to stop recording. Click the button at the bottom left of the video to view the recorded video. You can download the video in the app. Exit the app, double-click the button, turn off Wi-Fi, green light is off. Short press the button to take pictures after turning off Wi-Fi. Double-click the button to turn on Wi-Fi again. View the photos we took in the app and download them.